Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 4th, 2025, and we're breaking down Bitcoin, or BTCUSD, analyzing both the latest news and the charts. The big story today is President Trump's announcement of a strategic crypto reserve, including Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. This has sparked a rally, but also a lot of debate. We'll discuss the news first, and then dive deep into the charts to see what they're telling us and if there's any correlation. We're looking at the one-day chart to get a broad overview of the recent price action of Bitcoin. We will dive into the news and then compare it with the chart. According to recent news, President Trump's crypto reserve announcement initially sent Bitcoin prices soaring to $95,000, but those gains were quickly erased. The proposal is facing blowback, even from some industry supporters, due to concerns about including altcoins and potential conflicts of interest. Analyst Michael Saylor is still predicting Bitcoin to reach a $9.52 million per coin, but many remain skeptical. Now let's take a look at the charts and see how this news is reflected in the price action. The daily chart shows a huge green candle representing the initial pump, followed by a sharp rejection as the market digested the news and the issues became more clear. The price action now is around 86,000. This shows the initial pump from news, but then the sell-off afterwards. The question now is where it may go from here. To get a better idea of what's happening in the short term, let's switch over to the 1-hour chart. We can see more clearly on the 1-hour chart the large wick representing the initial burst followed by the sell-off. We've retraced quite a bit now. A key level to watch is around $84,000. If we break below that, we could see a further correction in the short term. On the upside, if Bitcoin can break above $90,000 and sustain that level, it could signal a resumption of the bullish trend. For a longer-term perspective, let's move back to the daily chart. We will look at an interesting range of candles. Looking at the daily chart now, and focusing on a range of time starting in September 2024, we see Bitcoin has generally been on an upward trajectory, although recent candles show a pullback. The area around $70,000 could act as support if this sell-off continues. That's not necessarily a prediction, but a level to look at. Keep an eye on the news flow coming out of Washington regarding the crypto reserve. Any further details, especially regarding which cryptocurrencies will be included and how they will be acquired, will likely have a significant impact on Bitcoin's price. Overall, the market is highly sensitive to news and events, so always perform your own analysis and trade with caution. To conclude, here are the levels to watch. Key support levels: $84,000 short-term, $70,000 long-term. Key resistance levels: $90,000 short-term, previous all-time highs, long-term. A break below 84,000 will likely cause further selling pressure. I estimate there's 55% chance that the Bitcoin can hold above 80,000. If Bitcoin breaks below 70,000, the chances are only 30% that Bitcoin will ever recover. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and see you next time.